This magnificent medieval château is for sale. Located in Aquitaine, Dordogne, France. It offers 9 bedrooms and 7 bathrooms. A fully restored medieval château offering approximately 485 square metres of living space, set within 20 hectares of landscaped grounds in the Beune Valley. The property includes a grand entrance hall with spiral staircase, a large banqueting hall with fireplace, kitchen, dining room, multiple reception rooms, and several bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms, along with a wine cellar, utility room, and games room. The estate also features a guardian's house, a 17th century chapel, formal gardens, woodland, meadows, and a swimming pool, providing a private and well-rounded country estate with both historic character and modern comfort. The asking price of this magnificent medieval château is €2,100,000. For more information, see the property listing in the description below. Thank you for watching.